End result of the Alpine Strawberry Aerogarden experiment ended in tragedy. Looks like these have contracted some sort of root fungus. Did a little bit of research on the internet. All these leaves, I don't know if the cameras are going to pick that up, but they've got red undersides. The leaf tips and edges are turning red. And from what I could read, looks like it's a form of a root fungus. So I'm not sure exactly how they contracted this fungus. I did notice this Aerogarden is just like the other white one that I had, and it's got a bit of a fiddly connection in the back if it's not seated properly. If this reservoir is not seated properly and doesn't make the connection to the two prongs in the back, the pump shuts off. And I noticed that the pump was shut off when I adjusted the light canopy. You know, just a little bit of movement must have skewed the connection a little bit and shut it off. So the pump was off for about a day. I don't know if that had anything to do with it. But I guess I'm gonna have to just chalk this up as a loss. I do have, let's see if I can get down here. I do have a bunch of them, a bunch of strawberries in a pot here. You know, in a soil container using the Boogie Brew, and those are perfectly fine. They seem to be thriving and doing well. So I'm not sure exactly what happened. However, these are all gonna have to be junked. I'm gonna try to pop one of these out here and show you the roots. They're kind of just brown mush. So if you can see that, I mean, they're not terrible. The roots do turn brown in this system because of the compost tea, the Boogie Brew compost tea. But again, these plants are clearly not healthy anymore. So we're gonna abort the mission. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back to the rooster peppers, the rooster spur peppers. I actually did like those. They did pretty well in the Aerogarden. So I think that's gonna be round 2 in this system. I'm gonna just toss all these things out. I can't imagine they're gonna get any better. I tried to put a little bit of hydrogen peroxide in the reservoir in hopes of salvaging them, but they haven't gotten any better. So, oh well, you can't win them all. So we'll move on. We'll shut this one down and move on to, like I said, I think I'll probably put a few rooster spur pepper plants in this system and get those going again. So we'll keep you posted on what comes of this Aerogarden once it's replanted. Alright, thanks guys. Have a good night.